over 60 and want to stay strong, flexible, and independent, these 5 simple exercises can help you move better, feel younger, and live longer, right from home. Welcome back. Today's video is specially designed for seniors over 60 who want to improve balance, build strength, reduce stiffness, and stay active without putting pressure on their joints. These are low-impact, doctor-recommended exercises that almost anyone can do. Whether you're a beginner or getting back into fitness, this routine will help boost your energy and support your mobility. Let's begin. Why exercise matters after age 60. As we grow older, our muscles naturally weaken, our joints stiffen, and balance becomes harder to maintain. But regular movement slows aging, improving heart health, strengthening bones, supporting healthy weight, and preventing dangerous falls. Exercising just 10 to 20 minutes a day can dramatically improve your quality of life. Safety guidelines. Before we begin, if you have heart issues, joint problems, or recent surgery, check with your doctor. Keep a water bottle nearby. Move slowly and stop if you feel pain. Use a sturdy chair or wall for support if needed. Warm up, 2 minutes. Start with light warm-up movements to loosen your muscles. Move your head gently left and right. Roll your shoulders backward. Slowly lift your knees one at a time while marching in place. Make a few ankle circles. This increases blood flow and prepares your joints for exercise. Exercise 1. Chair sit to stand. This strengthens your legs, hips, and core. Sit on a sturdy chair, cross your arms or keep them on your thighs. Stand up slowly, then sit back down. Start with 8 to 10 reps. This improves your ability to get out of bed, stand from the sofa, and stay independent. Exercise 2. Wall push-ups. A safe upper body strengthening workout. Stand facing a wall, arms extended. Place your hands shoulder-width apart. Bend your elbows and lean toward the wall. Then push back. Do 10 to 12 reps. Great for chest, shoulders, arms, and stability. Exercise 3. Seated knee lifts. Sit tall on a chair. Lift one knee toward your chest. Lower it slowly. Repeat 10 reps per side. This improves circulation, hip mobility, and core strength. Exercise 4. Heel-to-toe walk. Stand tall near a wall for safety. Place one foot in front of the other, heel touching toes. Walk 10 to 15 steps forward. It's one of the best exercises for balance and fall prevention. Cool down. Gentle stretching. Sit or stand comfortably. Reach both arms overhead and stretch gently. Pull your shoulders back to open your chest. Stretch your hamstrings by extending one leg forward. Cooling down prevents stiffness and supports flexibility. Tips for staying consistent. Commit to exercising 10 to 20 minutes every day. Make it part of your morning routine or do a quick session during TV breaks. Remember, small, daily progress leads to big health improvements. Closing message. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these exercises and want more senior-friendly workout routines, please like this video, subscribe, and comment your age and fitness goals. Stay healthy, stay active, and see you in the next video.